Hi, welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. This video will lead us to the demo of attribute-based access control with constant size ciphertext in cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the practice of transitioning computer service such as computation or data storage to multiple redundant offsite locations available on the internet, which allows application software to be operated using internet-enabled devices. Since the cloud computing environment is distributed and untrusted, data owners have to encrypt outsourced data to enforce the confidentiality. To achieve practicable access control of encrypted data in an untrusted environment is an urgent issue that needs to be solved. Attribute-based encryption is a promising scheme suitable for access control in the cloud storage systems. This system proposes a hierarchical attribute-based access control scheme with constant size ciphertext. First of all, the data owner have to be registered in the system. Then the data owner have to select the data. This data is transferred to the server. Before that, the data must be encrypted. For that, the cryptographic algorithm is used. And then before that, the attribute selection is very important thing in the system. The attribute selection is mainly dependent upon the domain authority. Using that, the attributes are converted into a key. Then the attribute key is used to encrypt the secret key. Then the data owner have to upload the data into the server, and also the data owner uploads the encrypted key to the server. After that, user login into the system and then get authorization from the domain authority. The domain authority gives the attributes to the user. If a user have correct attribute means, then the request is transferred to the server. The server receives the request and transfers the data to client. The data received by the client is encrypted data, and the client also receives the encrypted key. Using the attribute key from the domain authority, the client decrypts the key, and then by using the decrypted key, the data is also decrypted. Let us see the demo of the project. First of all, run homepage.java. Just click this image. First of all, the data owner have to browse some data. Now click the view button. Now the data selected in the file is displayed here. Then press next. Now press the get key button. This is used to get the secret key. Using this key, the data is to be encrypted. Now press encrypt. Now the file selected by the data owner is encrypted. This is the encrypted data. Then press next. Now it is the domain authority. Press the view attributes button. There are three options for the attributes. The first one is education. Just click the radio button. It have three options, that is different fields, that is IT, CSE and ECE. And then press sports radio button. It have three options, that is cricket, football and volleyball. Now press cultural. It have three options, that is dance, singing and painting. Now select any three of these attributes. Now we selected the IT, cricket and dance. These are the attributes. Now click next. Now display the attributes that is selected by the data owner. Then press generate. This is the attribute key generated by using the attributes. Now press next. Now click the get button. Now it is the secret key that is already generated by the data owner, and press get. It is the attribute key that is generated by using the attributes from the domain authority. Using the attribute key, the secret key have to be encrypted. So press encrypt. Now it displays the encrypted secret key. This secret key is encrypted by using the attribute key. Now click transfer data on the key. Now the data on the key are transferred to the server. Now press next. This is the cloud service provider. Now click the receive button. The data is now received, and press the receive key. Now the key is received. View data. The encrypted data is viewed by the cloud service provider. Now press view key. The key that is the encrypted key is viewed by the cloud service provider. Now press next. This is the cloud user. First of all, the cloud user have to view the attributes. This is the same attributes that is displayed to the data owner. Here the user have to select some of the attributes. Then click validation. This validation have the comparison between the attributes selected by the data owner and the attributes selected by the cloud user. If both the attributes are equal means, then the message displays that it is the authorized user. Otherwise it will not authorized user. Now press OK. Now click the next button. Now the cloud user get the data from cloud service provider, and then the cloud user get the key from the service provider, and then the user generates the attribute key by selecting the attributes from the domain authority. Now click next. Decrypt the secret key by using the attribute key. If an attribute key is correct means, then only the secret key is decrypted. Otherwise it is not decrypted correctly. If a secret key is decrypted correctly means, then only we can decrypt the original data correctly. Otherwise we can't get the original data correctly. Thank you.